Hello everyone. In today's video we will be discussing the top 5 best tablets with USB ports available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable tablets, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. CHUWI Hi-10X Pro Tablet. The 517 grams newborn is crafted for easy handling, carrying and use with 10.1 inches, containing just about everything you need to know to navigate through this rich world. The new minimalism designated space gray color offers you a new experience of what it feels to be futuristic, while the newest coating technology adds a fine-grained frosted finish. The laminated LCD display ensures a crisper and clearer visual experience with up to 400 nits to support you even under the bright sunlight. Narrow bezel helps elevate all the thrills thrown your way through the 16:10 cinematic aspect ratio. Material U empowers every user with more expressiveness and control over their display style. Gone are the days when you had to stick to the default mode palette. Now you are able to infuse your device with the style that truly represents your mood and feeling in the moment. Wide divinely ensures you get the best details in high resolution 1080p without any annoying buffering or stuttering. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or watching the latest blockbuster movies on YouTube, Disney Plus, or Amazon Prime Video, this tablet delivers an immersive, cinematic experience that's sure to keep you entertained for hours on end. Number 2. Globale version 8 Pro Tablet. Pad 8 Pro provides the viewing experience you have always wanted, achieving a 93% screen-to-body ratio on a 10.1-inch screen. Pad 8 Pro world-leading 24MP front camera turns every selfie you take into a work of art. Experience higher brightness, color vividness, clarity and dynamic range. Even in the darkest light, as long as you need it. Your Pad 8 Pro is right by your side, capturing every moment with crystal clear precision, turning your selfie into a masterpiece, and making every photo shine. Pad 8 Pro has a 48MP camera combination. The main camera has a large aperture of f2.0, 1.28 micrometers pixels. Strong combination to improve the sensitivity of backlight or low light. Take it with you. Pad 6 Ultra makes your photos clear and bright. Number 3. Pad 6s Pro 11-inch tablet. Model No. Pad 6s Pro. CPU. Snapdragon 888 core. Latest 10-core. SIM/TF. 2 SIM card slots. Nano SIM. Plus 1 TF card slot. Maximum support extension 128GB. Screen, 11-inch 4K screen. Resolution, 2560 x 1600. Camera, front camera 16MP plus rear camera 32MP. Memory, 16GB RAM plus 1T ROM/16GB RAM plus 512GB ROM/12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM. System, Android 14 system. Battery, 2000 mAh high density lithium-ion battery. Unique back cover, hot bend 3D plating gradient glass back cover. It is art, it is also technology. Network, GSM 850/900/1800/1900 MHz, 3G, CHUWI 850/1900 2100 MHz, 4G, 5G, vibration support. Multimedia, MP3/MP4/3GP/FM radio, Bluetooth. Number 4. Pad 6s Pro 10.1-inch tablet. Model No. Pad 6s Pro. Platform, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Latest 10-core. Standby 1 SIM plus SD card, 2 SIM card. Screen, 10.1 120Hz HD full display 3840 x 2160. Speaker, 1511 box speaker. Frequency, GSM 850/900/1800 1900 MHz. 3 hdmi 850/1900 2100 MHz, 4G LTE 5G. Split screen, supports colors, black, gold, green, blue. Memory, 12 GB/16 GB RAM plus 256 GB/512 GB/1 TB ROM. Multimedia, MP3/MP4/3GP/FM radio, Bluetooth. Multifunction, full screen, GPS, face recognition, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, GPS, gravity sensor, alarm, calendar, calculator, audio recorder, video recorder, WAP/MMS/GPRS, image viewer, ebook, world clock, tasks card, rear flash. Languages, multi-language support. Others, Android OS 14 system. Battery, 1000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Number 5. Cwowdefu portable Android tablet. 10.1 inch, 1280 by 800 IPS resolution. Clearer viewing. You've got a better way to play games and enjoy audio, video entertainment. Based on a 53-4 core architecture, the MT8765 processor doubles the performance of other quad-core products. The large battery capacity allows you to play, watch movies, study and more from morning to night. 4 GB built-in memory, 64 GB high-speed memory and 1 TB TF card expansion means you can play games and watch movies without worrying. The latest Android 13 operating system revolutionizes stability and boosts overall performance, giving you an exceptional, fluid experience with every touch.